Got the LT1 block back, got the 440 crank back. I don't have the other 440 block back that was getting line honed yet, but he said they will get on that next week. I told him that one's not that big of a hurry. Anyways, the LT1 is down here in the boring machine. I got it completely bored. I'm gonna let it cool off overnight, and then I'll get back in here to hone that bad boy. So, this is why you always double check before you hone. So like on this box, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not gonna move the camera. But either way, on the box, it says that the skirt size is 4.02875 plus or minus 25/10 of a thousandths. So it could be anywhere from 4.02850 to 4.02900 is, I believe. No, that'd be a 50. So it's not even that much of a swing. So it's only half a 25 plus or minus that. Anyways, that's not the important part. I've already pulled 2 pistons out and I have mic'd both of them, and I am not getting that number. So now I'm going to check to make sure my mic is calibrated correctly. And it looks like it's off by about a 1/10 or 2. I also tightened it down a little hard. That again. That's about dead nuts. That's not a lot of pressure on it. Yeah. So we're good there. Let's re-mic the piston. Now that we have chalked out. So hold it steady. Of course, I'm feeling myself. I'm be shaking now. All right, there we go. Get on there. There we go. Line that up. That up. It's about where the same tension I had on the thing. So yeah, I'm still about off where I thought I was. It's about, that's 2/10. So that's roughly a 1/10. It's about 3/10 of a thousandths difference between what the box says it is and how much bigger the piston is miking. But either way, that's why I wanted to check them. I might as well do a third one, just to, I mean, those are miking the same exact size. Let's grab a third one, and just to verify that they are bigger than what the box claims they are. Look at that little scratch on the skirt already. Brand new piston. That is 3 in a row, making it exactly the same, so I'm gonna go with that's what they are. I don't think they would I mean, I'm not gonna make a mistake 3 times in a row and get the exact same number down to the 1/10 of a thousandth. So that's just, the likelihood of that is a lot less than the manufacturer just making the pistons larger than what they said they did. Oh, lordy, lordy. So, with that being said, these pistons are miking about 3/10 heavier than the number on the side, which makes no difference. I'll just make the hole a little bit bigger. But the minimum clearance is 1/1000th, which is basically built into the piston with that 4.02875, which is just below 29 thousandths, which would be right at 1 25/10 of a thousandth, 1 25/10 of a thousandth if you bored it directly to 30 over. So I'm gonna go a little bit larger than that. One, because I just want more clearance on it anyways. I'm gonna give it, because that's just the bare minimum clearance that it could, like any, you don't want to be just 1/1000ths, and 2/10 is really not that much. So I'm gonna free it up a little bit and probably go with about 2/1000ths of wall clearance for these pistons. So give it another 0.75 of a thousandths more clearance, and I think we'll be good with that. That's what I want to go with. So I'm gonna set it to 31 instead of 30, and that's what we're gonna hone this bad boy to. Whoosh. The 383 is finished hung. I'm letting it rest over there in the machine for a minute. Again, I think I went over this in an earlier vlog, but as it cools off, it'll tighten back up. So to make sure the clearances are where I want them to be, I'm gonna let the block cool back off, remeasure it, see if it hit dead on, and if so, then I'll get it out of the machine. Plus, let the honing oil drain back out of it. That stuff's not cheap. I want my honing oil back block. But anyways, letting all that happen, I just got those heads in the washer that the guy brought me. I don't know if I've even talked to anybody about this, but I got another 350 that I'm boring and honing and then doing a complete valve job, surface, all that with the heads type thing. And the guy hadn't 100% decided whether or not I'm putting it together for him or not. He kind of wants to do it, but at the same time, he's a little iffy about it. No difference to me, I don't care. Either way, money's money. I can get it just machined for you, I can put it together. I think he's more or less, because like I'm backed up right now. I don't have, it's a while before I could get to the point of being able to assemble his motors, what's making him want to do it, but he's not real comfortable with doing it himself. But anyway, that's beside the point. I got those heads in the washer cleaning up so I can disassemble them. They were dirty. His block was dirty. But if I got the block done, I got it. Oh, I need to throw those main caps in there. Jesus, because he brought me the block without the main caps originally. But anyways, let's see here. What else? I'm going to actually call and order those 440 seats now, because I forgot to do that earlier before I started working. Anyways, gonna get off of here, order those parts. Whoosh. All right, I just got the most random phone call. I just don't understand people sometimes. Like when I post things to Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and nothing like that, I expect to get crazy people calling me with dumb requests. But this guy obviously found my company number on Google, which means he saw the name of my company, which was Triad Engine Performance. But he called me and he's like, hey, would your company be the kind of place that could get us bolts? And I'm like, yes, I have a lot of bolts. Where's this going? Type thing. He's like, well, I bought a tractor trailer. Okay, that seems odd, but yeah, okay, continue. Where's this going now? He's like, and we got a battery box for it. And they didn't give us the bolts to mount the battery box. Would you, or do you know someone that could get us bolts? Well, no, I don't have the bolts for you, but yes, I do know where you can go get them. But it just, I don't understand like how you saw Triad Engine Performance and you thought that you were going to find bolts for a battery box, because that's what I specialize in, battery box bolts. Anyways. Whoosh. Alright, got both cranks sized up. I know what all the journals are miking at. And I've got the, I just double checked the 383 LT1 and everything is perfect. It's going to come out of the machine, go in the washer now. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!